Hello and welcome to this video on the top 5 mistakes everyone is making with window treatments. Windows are a crucial part of our homes, as they provide natural light and a view of the world outside. But they can also be a source of problems if they are not treated properly. Whether you're a seasoned interior designer or a DIY enthusiast, you might be making some common mistakes with your window treatments. In this video, we'll cover the most common mistakes and offer some tips and tricks to help you avoid them. We'll be discussing the importance of proportion, the right fabric to choose, accurate measuring, considering functionality, and not skipping the final touches. So, sit back, relax, and let's get started. Mistake 1. Ignoring window proportions. The first mistake is ignoring window proportions. Windows come in all shapes and sizes, and it's important to choose window treatments that complement their shape. For example, a large picture window looks great with simple, unadorned curtains, while a small bathroom window may benefit from more elaborate treatments like valance. If your window treatments are too small for your windows, they will look awkward and out of place. On the other hand, if they are too big, they can overpower the window and the room. Mistake 2. Choosing the wrong fabric. The second mistake is choosing the wrong fabric. Fabric can make or break the look of your window treatments, so it's important to choose wisely. Heavy fabrics like velvet or damask are great for insulating your windows, but they are also heavy and difficult to maneuver. Lighter fabrics like cotton or linen are much easier to work with, but they may not provide enough insulation. When choosing fabric, consider the room's lighting, temperature, and style you are going for. Mistake 3. Not measuring accurately. The third mistake is not measuring accurately. Measuring your windows is crucial to ensuring that your window treatments fit properly. You should measure the width and height of your windows, including any trim or molding, to ensure that your window treatments will cover the entire window. Don't forget to measure for hardware, such as brackets or rods, and take into account any obstructions like switches or outlets. If you're not confident in your measuring skills, consider hiring a professional to help you get the job done right. Mistake 4. Not considering functionality. The fourth mistake is not considering functionality. Window treatments serve several purposes, including privacy, light control, and insulation. When choosing your window treatments, consider the primary function you need them to serve. For example, if you need to block out the sun, you may want to consider blackout curtains or shades. If you want to control the amount of light that enters the room, you may want to consider sheer curtains or light filtering shades. Mistake 5. Skipping the final touches. The final mistake is skipping the final touches. Window treatments are the finishing touch to a room, and they can make or break its appearance. Adding trim, tassels, or other decorative accents can enhance the look of your window treatments and bring the room together. Don't be afraid to be creative and try something new. A little bit of flair can go a long way. In conclusion, we hope this video was helpful in pointing out the top 5 mistakes everyone is making with window treatments. Remember, choosing the right window treatments can enhance the beauty and functionality of your home, so take your time and make the right choices. If you liked this video, remember to give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos and tutorials on home decor and design. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.